Hello. Welcome, welcome to this. I am Venom, as you can see. It is. That's the wrong thing that I pushed. Sorry. Okay, everybody, I do not have a Spider-Man outfit, so just act like this outfit is Spider-Man, please. You will never catch me, redhead. Oh yes, I will, Venom. Alright, hold up. Sorry, cut. Beep. I like to see you try. I may have my mask off, but I still have my power. Cut. I may have my mask off, but I still have powers. Cut again, dang it. I may have my mask off, but I still have my powers. Well, may I tell the viewers something? That this is actually filmed from an iPad, so if it's any blurry or anything, that's my iPad, so I'm sorry. Alright, back to the video. So, I thought your suit gave you the powers. Well, it doesn't. Shoo-ba-doo. Ow! My eye. That was not part of the line, but I thought it would be funny. Goodbye.